Hello everyone, today I'm giving you a tour of my greenhouse and all my plants that I've started in here in fall of 2019. It's April 22nd or 23rd today. I started most of my plants on the 8th. I'm planning on planting most of them in mid-May. So here I'm starting off with my zucchini plants. They usually take a lot longer to germinate and sprout. So far I got one growing here. Muskmelon, no luck on it yet, but I do have one on the next shelf. Here we got some regular flowers, butterfly mix and stuff like that. You can see one starting there. There's also one right back there. And also one right there. I didn't even see that one yet. Over here we have my beans. They're not doing too lucky in here yet, so I'm actually going to start them inside of a Ziploc bag with a wet paper towel, and we'll get those going. Very lucky on my peas so far. I'm pretty sure I have about 15. I got some more up there starting to grow. These guys are probably about an inch and a half tall, and they should be planted pretty soon, and I still have more sprouting every single day. Here's an acorn squash. Started this one about, I think it might have been on the 10th of April. Now today's the 23rd, and it finally sprouted up, and I'm just waiting for the rest of them. I'm pretty sure they will also sprout. Here's some of my cucumbers. I planted 9 plots here, 3 of them so far, and I do see some peeking through the soil still, so those should sprout in the next couple days. Here's my cabbage. Very many of these have sprouted. Some of them have 2 per pot, like right over here. There's 2. I gotta separate those. I just separated these guys and everything, so I do have a lot of cabbage this year. Down here I got my watermelon. One has started. It's just new. It's about 2 days old, I think, and it's getting pretty tall. I'm gonna go up here. I'm just gonna get my crate out so I can step up. Over here we got some more cucumbers I planted. Got one starting there. You got another one starting here, right there. Here's some more peas I got. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 7. Over here we got some cantaloupe. I got one little one starting right over here, and that's the only one I think I've seen of cantaloupe so far. Here's another cucumber. I have a stand I do every single year. I sell most of my plants and vegetables there. Here's some more cabbage. I kind of lost count on my cabbage. I'd really have to go because some of them do have 3, as you can see right here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I do have some more acorn squash starting here, and I got some more zucchini here. Those should be sprouting any day now. And that's pretty much it. I do got some more, got some sunflowers over here. I just planted those about 2 days ago, so I give them about another week or so. To keep my greenhouse heated, today it actually got up to about 90 in here, which has really cooled off. It's about 80 degrees now. And the way I keep it heated at night, I like to turn on the crock pot. It's an old crock pot I had before. I turn it on when it gets about below 60 in here, and it never drops below 50. I've never had it. The lowest has been 51. I just put some water in there and turn it on a high setting. Come out here in the morning and I turn it off. And it keeps it warm all night. And I'll have about half water in there in the morning. And obviously, as you can see, I'm not a professional gardener. I haven't had my beans come up yet, my corn, stuff like that. This is about my 3rd or 4th year I've been gardening, you know what I mean, actually trying to make profit and stuff like that. If you do have any tips or anything like that, please leave me in the comments down below. Anything else, I could probably be putting some kind of manure, fertilizer, compost, watering them less, you know what I mean. If you have any updates, if you've had trouble with beans or corn or stuff like that, I know you're usually supposed to start it in the garden, but I wanted an early start, so I might have some in May or June instead of August or, like, you know what I mean, late September. So I did make a stand last year, and I started selling stuff at the road just to make money. Obviously, I don't have a job yet or anything like that. So I did have luck. I got about $600 in about 3 months off my stand. Just pretty much put it at the road and put the stuff out there daily I get from the garden. When I start planting my stuff in the garden, I'll take you on tours probably daily and stuff like that. Just starting out this channel because I know people, I always search for greenhouse tours and planning and stuff like that. Just really interests me. So I figured maybe someone else will also like that. So that's why I've been doing these kind of videos. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in maybe about a week or a couple days and give you another update.